We had to move Miss Twyla over here. And she is just causing a ruckus with everybody, aren't you?
Thank you.
Morning chores felt so quick this morning. I have decided to let June dry up because after 2 heat cycles, her milk has completely dipped and didn't come back up. And we processed the meat chickens. So I only had to milk 1 goat this morning and 30 less chickens to take care of.
Lemon.